MPCC criticizes state government for hindering allied protest meet against disintegration of Manipur, alleges government of supporting centre and NSC and IM course. Mahud Minister Thongnaujam Syamkumar launches local-made paper bags to curb plastic pollution at Khwaramban market today. Manipur observed World Diabetes Day. Various associations hold free diabetes testing camps to mark the day. And Manipur observed Children's Day. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar urges authorities concerned to look after children at various children's homes in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibetoy Tokchong, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Members of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee carried out allied protest meet on the theme Non-Disclosure of Naga Peace Talks at GM Hall today. Speaking at the meet, MPCC President M. Kendra condemned the BJP-led state government for causing hindrances to MPCC workers in carrying the allied protest meet against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. He alleged that this act indicates that the state government is supporting the cause of the centre and NSC and IM. He maintained that the ongoing talks between the centre and NSC and IM is a bilateral talks. He clarified that MPCC's support to the people's movement is not an act of criticizing the government but to protect Manipur. The MPCC president strongly condemned the state government for the act and stated that Congress government never acted in such a manner during its reign.
Simba protest saruk yaba lakpa Congress ki worker mayam ama hojik Thobal thing leri Imphal East SP masaya na Thobal SP masaya na Bisenpur da why masi karigino Lilong ne su thingi si karigino koi silent hoina democratically se phamjabani mayam da sarkar sida pukning chingchenjaba duga maru hoina tok tori se bilateral tok ni Bharat sarkar amasung NSNIM ni ekoi khangi koi state government maral sibenate togudabu Shumlaba mi pams the moina thingaga mayam yahonda togose, Tasang Namakoja Sogali Brahibungasi, Mayam Jingna Lerambase, Jingnaba Power Heba.
Taking part in the protest demonstration, CWC member Gai Khangam criticized that the BJP-led state government on one hand gives assurance that state's territorial integrity will not be harmed by finalization of Naga peace talks, but on the other hand prepares for a war zone by deploying massive paramilitary forces in the state. He stated that the situation hints of an unpleasant situation in the state in the near future. Gai Khangam expressed that people of the state as well as MPCC members are apprehensive over such contradictory conduct of the state and the central governments.
Former Chief Minister CLP ki leader na Lusingaga, Bharat ki Prime Minister amati Home Minister yaun unarakanda. Party ki Congress Party ki President pursue atete opposition party leaders unaraga asidi yaroi asi ko Manipur ki interest sok pa lair batara de koi mado ko Manipur praja sing na the Congress Party na yaba sungang moi haidan mado koi protest oruna ba haje batare koi sakhi bani appointment sik to khre adu pirak different question ni adu mado pirak ta bado mado aduni adunate maru oi badi koi di Manipur praja sing ya de Haibido, Madu Uchanaba, Kanibari Propazasi, sentiment, Amadi, Wakalondo, Kanbeto, the Via de Tasaki.
People continue to protest disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talks and abated across the state today. Women vendors and diesel auto rickshaw drivers staged a protest meet at Nagamapal under the banner of Kokomi. Taking part in the protest, one diesel auto rickshaw driver expressed apprehension that the state government is not taking any measures to protect Manipur by trusting in the central leaders' verbal assurances. Protesters instead demanded for a written assurance that the outcome of the Naga peace talks will not harm the territorial integrity of the state. They warn of carrying out intense hesitations if Manipur's boundary is ever affected.
Mapi mapa oina leibirba makoina aikoigi sigumba awaba mayam ju ubidabadagi ngasi aikoina nuaitana khongjang changchen bani achaw wasang mayam jingjina makoina ngangbodo khoi thajabanga maktre maramdi makoina delhi da musakani amudawni moikoigi wahaidudi khoi pamde makoina choiraroi hairagadi iramda manipur sibu kaheloi haibagi oiragadi akhoi aibu chi oina manipur parja miyam amada oina pibiyo nsn amasung india government gi langlo lang asida makoi nagaland da tawjagiba thabak tudi akhoi kasu kaide adubu iramda manipur sida thokadaba thabak leitaragadi yaba sunga moi akhoi ningdam na hingba amasung akhoi gi right do akhoi pame aduna iramdam kaibadi akhoi yaroi adubu akhoi edp gani suraga sajari ba akhoi gi awabaje moi ubiyo moi humphum mak charpiro unabiro tanabe tanaro khara chalaga adu haire adu na de akhoi satisfied oi de akhoi ta thajade center da gi ayu do pame adu do akhoi da laikhai tana manipur gi people parja jingji da tangdu laita ba ma puhanbado adu pame.
Sand and stone workers at North AOC seized a day's work against disintegration of Manipur. While employees of Pantobi Housing Finance Company Limited staged protests, alert meet against the same in front of their office in Uripok, Tarambam Laikai today.
Very small states, very beautiful states, very wonderful states. Malayamda ani suna fangaroi do badu mairam dam lam dam makhangni adu akhoi puna mangna manipuri jati akhoi puna mak changaga akhoi giram dam se masida kari gum external force amatana akai ba atoi ba pidaba yamna mayak sengba yamna very brilliant noi ba adu gum state ama akhoi puna mak unity ama create tawraga malayamda saktak ba adu gum ama ahun se.
Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development Mahud Minister Thangazum Shyam Kumar launched paper bags to curb plastic pollution at Quarambad Market today. He distributed more than 2 lakh paper bags to women vendors of the market on the occasion. Speaking to media, Minister Shyam Kumar called upon people for their active roles in saving the environment and to start using paper to curb plastic pollution.
Malengi tongan bada environment kahelakpa amadi plastic na akogi polluted tawdana akogi soil mayam se manghalakpa adana manipur da su some group of unemployed youth na putoktana akoi green break ana se na sarakanda manipur ki praja mayam da amadi maruoina akogi dukan phambiriba imai ben amai kathem phambiriba ise imai itaima amadi no pe mayam da amadi polai black pe mayam da apel doi madidi akoi na punamak gyan tamina kanda akoi environment kan mangam gani aduga akoi pollution jagi akoi fataba plastic protest se ngatho mangam gani.
Manipur observed World Diabetes Day today. Northeastern Diabetes Society Manipur State Branch organized the event at IMA Hall in Lumphil Part. Facilities for blood glucose, HbA1c and urine Asia tests for diabetes were provided at the event. Speaking on the occasion, President of Northeastern Diabetes Society Manipur State Branch, Dr. T.H. Premchand stated, diabetes can be prevented by eating healthy diet and performing regular physical exercises.
Diet control trouble. That is the Taoyam Sadaba, Thomas Sadaba, Manamasing Yamasaba, Adu Hayam Sabako, Adu Kabariam Sadaba, Adu Manamsing Sab, Harvard Sabs Yam Payari, Machina Blessers and Delhi, no Evidently, no Hinda, no Regatatis, Boko Hilly. And this over a quick excess of I say gymnast excess of one at Teco. I say Yum the Tabayang Toba, Gardening Toba, the Lady Tabayai, home gardening, Posi Tabayai, but the family put a Salakato in the Bado, Adukan. In day when I was 8% as a whole, Kalamlam Kenner Gasuko, Lamkatan Kalu, Yawi, Sound the Kanokum, but the Madras in there, 17% me, among the Trateti, that is Nayari, and the young one way away. I do a quick manipulation about 10% no Mali, 10% me, some of the Tara, that is Nayaji, young Rosanico, Masipansi control over the Calibato.
Morning Star Club Yumnam Patlo also observed World Diabetes Day at Yumnam Patlo Community Hall in Imphal today. A medical team led by President of Manipur Heart Care Society, Dr. K.H. Kala, organized a free medical camp on the occasion. Facilities for blood sugar tests and ECG were provided at the camp. The team checked up senior citizens of the area and provided them with free medicines.
Prithibisida diabetes nabi mi machine yamna wana lay. Around 2015 da 425 millions mi ache diabetes awaba tanari. Akoi India dasu diabetes nabe mi ki chang yam na wang na lei mi manga khuding gi mi amom di diabetes haiba anaba se awaba tanari aduna ngasi akhone tawjariba se mipung khuninda diabetes haiba anaba se karino kamai layengani amadi masida kamai tona thengmang ngangdage haibagi pandamda akhone praja mayamda public ta mase gyan tanba paujin jaban.
Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District Branch also observed World Diabetes Day at KSYC in Hyangthang. Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District Branch, Dr. Koijam Arun Kanta, led members of the society in carrying out the event, where people in the area were provided free diabetes diagnostic tests and medicines. Lions Club of Wangjing also organized free diabetes selection and free awareness program under International Associations of Lions Club of District 322D on World Diabetes Day today. More than 80 individuals were checked up during the camp held at Pravu Achauba Mandap in Hairok Part 2 Bazaar. Doctors and nurses along with chairman of ITD Hospital Uripog Rangbam Tombi distributed medicines to those in need. Speaking to media, President of Lions Club of Wangjing Narengbam Rajiv Kumar said that Lions Club organized a camp manifesting their motto, service to mankind. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on state-level Children's Day celebrations at TRI Chingmairong. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Manipur joined the rest of the nation in observing Children's Day on the 138th birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru today. Social Welfare Department organized the state-level Children's Day celebrations at Tribal Research Institute in Chingmairong. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appealed to the relevant department to uplift orphans and physically challenged children who are staying at various children's homes in the state by providing them with the same privileges as given to other normal children. He also stressed on the need to bring children close to nature and to let them freely express their talents and potentials. The Deputy Chief Minister urged parents and guardians to take active roles in shaping and developing their children.
Matamamdadi nature ga tora me ngasi di adugi du leidre adu mama mapa singna atu no tawsu kana to nature the freely len ma kolam do aduga ngasagi moigi personality freely develop to do madu tona bo honasi children's home partially kan to disabled oiba aduga retired oiba kamu me mama kana to mama mapa leje phajana king bidan lebse moiski sing jisu ngasagi atai kan mama mapa leba freely lebung ngamba angang sing na nungai ba angang sing free do aduga mai du moi de su kitang phangan bdo kamai to na koi phangan sige ko myam bun khanda minarga adugo social welfare gi department su phajana khanda biga sinlaga admana moisu hingubagi polakpagi mahaudo khangan koi hona minasi.
Speaking on the occasion, Social Welfare Department Minister Nemcha Kipgen appealed to protect the rights of children and not to hurt them in any manner. She expressed sadness at the increasing rate of sexual exploitation of minors in the state. Nemcha Kipgen asserted that miscreants involved in child sexual abuses should not be forgiven, but they must be given befitted legal punishment. She appealed to parents, elders and guardians to raise their children with love, compassion and tenderness, and also to instill in them the virtues of love and peace. Minister Nemcha Kipgen advised students to stay away from drugs and intoxicants to lead a healthy life. Kairao MLA L. Rameshwar, top officials of the Social Welfare Department and others attended the event. Dance and strong performances by children enthralled the attendees.
Mama, Mapa, ahal laman, angang sing loinariba singna, makoibo nung sinatobiduna, makoibo minungsi tambisi, aduga hauzik yamna nungay teba, amana, inhaklakliba, ekhoigi tungi oiriba, nauriba angang singna, mayay kaba, jinjak sabagi, sang yamna, wangkhatlakpa asini, lairik, laisuda, may on sinduna, Leigadoba matamda pattaba jinjak saduna matam amadi hakchang manghali mama mapa oiba amadi angang sing loinaba mipom koding magna jacksin na leibatai.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC held the 138th birth anniversary observance of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at Congress Bhavan BT Road today. Speaking on the occasion, MPCC President M. Okendro reminded that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India who is also known as the architect of modern India. He extolled the great leader for his immense contributions for the nation. M. Okendro asserted that children fondly call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Chacha Nehru because of his special love and friendly attitude towards them. Attendees paid floral tribute to the portrait of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at the event.
Pandit Nehru being the architect of the India, and not only that, he is loved by the lots of children of the country, and people used to call him Pandit Chacha Nehru. Likewise, here in our state, in the state level, also we are observing this function. Apart from that, Congress party is also observing this function.
Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward No. 3 Corporator Hizam Nutan Chandra and his family members presented a TV set to Yabril Children Home at Kaibi in Imphal East on Children's Day today. Speaking on the occasion, Hizam Nutan Chandra stated that his grandmother Naurem Ningol Moirangthem Ombi Ibemhal left for her heavenly abode on November 14. He said that the event was organized in memory of his grandmother who was very fond of children. A grand feast was organized for the children in midst of the home on the occasion.
Makoisu makoina hayeng chauraga ikoina angama mateng panga makoibu mi oina ba khona bire haraga makoina pung phara matamda iramdam kanglei paki makoisu masak naiba mi oi moina thokle haraga makoisu iramdam kanglei paki kali makhari soina tauba ngamgani haiba wakhalonga iroina aina mangol asibat pijabo oina aina icha se gidam tangam khara khodol tamjabani asigum loba yai pharaba nimit asida aina agi leigidaba ibokpu ningsingjaba chinden den nimit leigidaba ngasigi kumja asi thare haraga mangarak suba Laigidabagi Ningsing Kumona Sidaina, Yabril Children Home da, Ana Lajadraba, Chasing the Makta Ina, I lady, Haiba Kalunga, Iroina Ina, Asigumba, Zinden Negitaroma Sida Ina, Angangsing Demukta, Kalimakra in Mating, Pijabani.
SI Academy School Kanchipur held its annual Day Come Children's Day at the school campus today. Science exhibition, quiz and dance performances marked the event. Speaking on the occasion, founder of SI Academy, Chirom Jyotin, said that the best student and best teacher of the year and winners of sports event will be felicitated on the occasion. He asserted that the event aimed to guide the students on the right path.
School se hek hok pode hona harba SI festival havni festival asida pangthoi basi sport literary amasung culture inda akoi sat sing si team akoi gi house mari thona khaidoga akoi gi athoi hen tanabani oja sing jo house khaido ko jida moi gi house su loimak sina thoga akoi gi pangthok pani aduna harba housing adugi competition du da akoi gi point khwaidi phangba du akoi na overall team champion sahi khuding piduna lakpani.
39th India International Trade Fair will begin today at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. Union Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Nitin Gadkari will inaugurate the fair on Ease of Doing Business theme. First 5 days will be reserved for business and the fair will be open to the general public from the 19th of this month. People can visit the fair from 9:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Several countries including Australia, Iran, the UK, Vietnam, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Egypt, Hong Kong, Indonesia are participating in the 14-day trade fair. This year, the status of partner country has been accorded to Afghanistan and South Korea will be the focus country. Bihar and Jharkhand will be the focus states. Schools in the national capital will remain closed today and tomorrow in view of deteriorating air quality. The Delhi government's decision follows an order from Environment Pollution Prevention and Control Authority as the air quality hovered close to emergency levels. The authority has also extended the ban on hot mix plants and stone crushers in Delhi NCR till tomorrow. All coal and other fuel-based industries which have not shifted to natural gas or agro residue will remain shut in Faridabad, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, Noida, Bahadurgarh, Biwadi, Greater Noida, Sonepat and Panipat till tomorrow. In Delhi, industries which have not yet shifted to piped natural gas will not operate during the period. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MPCC criticizes state government for hindering Allied protest meet against disintegration of Manipur, alleges government of supporting centre and NSCM-IM course. Mahut Minister Thongnaudam Jam Kumar launches local-made paper bags to curb plastic pollution at Khwairambad Market today. Manipur observes World Diabetes Day. Various associations hold free diabetes tasting camps to mark the day. Manipur observed Children's Day. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar urges authorities concerned to look after children at various children's homes in the state.